Customer says my spare tire is missing. Customer says the left A/C vent is not sealed. Customer says he hasn't changed oil in ages. Customer says the bottom of my tire is sagging. I don't know why either. I drove through a parking lot and think I hit something. Mechanic thinks he probably hit this. 2021 Chevy Silverado, 2,500 km. Customer says the mirror camera isn't working, but when you brake it turns red. Turns out the camera was blocked by the bed wall. Customer says swap my battery. Mechanic finds the crankshaft balancer lying in the skid plate degreased. No idea how he drove through that noise. Customer says my power steering is leaking. This is a 2020 VW Tiguan. It uses electric assist. Customer keeps topping up power steering fluid. Actually, the car has no hydraulic steering system. Now the coolant light is on. Let's see what's inside the coolant bottle. That is definitely not coolant. Haha, thanks. Thanks. Customer says change my wheel bearing. Don't worry about the tire. Customer says the turn signal stalk doesn't work. Please don't leave your dog alone in the car. Customer says the car won't start. Let's switch the car off first. Then install this cute decorative cover. Sure enough, it won't crank. Pull the key out. Remove this cute accessory. Starts perfectly. Ladies, please don't randomly mod your interior with bling. It's time for everyone's favorite homemade Claymore mine episode. This time it's Mercedes branded. More rhinestones, bigger boom. Hope you enjoy.